Hello students, my name is Mohit Verma and I am the founder of stepupstudent.com. So how are you all? Wonderful, great. So without wasting any time, let's check out those 100 earning options for you guys. So beginning with coaching and tuition, blogging, write resumes, virtual assistant, sell books online, content writing, network marketing, set up food stalls, become a makeup artist, digital marketing, become a teacher assistant, look for online jobs, freelancing, online teaching, cab driver, drop shipping, sell your hairs, dance workshops, web development, handicraft startup, social media marketing, event management, tour guide, motivational speaker, become a trainer, data entry services, house sitting, earn cashbacks online, call center or video services, event usher. Sell your art and craft online, food delivery man, plasma donator, work at public library, pet caretaker, engage in online surveys, earn stock dividends, give college campus tours, become translators, earn from Google AdSense, organize tournaments, rent your vehicle, rent your room or PG services, affiliate marketing, sell your blog or website, lend money on interest, create and sell online courses, printing services, set up a small cyber cafe, portfolio making, earn on CPA sites, earn on YouTube channel, Facebook ad services, write books, security guard, become a compounder, yoga trainer, blood donor, become an editor, music composer, lyricist, CA assistant, typographer, parlor, cooking services, participate in college championships, become a brand promoter, become an SEO or SEM expert, organize contests or events, become a Tinder expert, podcast review consultant, parking facilitator, sell old equipments, offer maid or cleaning services, logo designer, grocery shop helper, graphic designing, become a recruiter for companies, become a mechanic, mobile barber, rent your space to working people, wedding arrangement services, sell domains or hosting, photography services, choreography, anchor, teach aerobics, become a counselor, become a wardrobe consultant, product reviewer, sell sublimation products, sell stationery items, provide mechanical services, provide medication services, computer or mobile repairing services, travel agency services, become a tattoo artist, and become a DJ disc jockey. So what are you waiting for? Get out and earn massive money. Thank you so much. God bless you all.